Alright guys, so another quick tip from real example. So I'm still working with the lamps and decided that this wall is too dark for me, but all textures already applied. So right now I'm in shading mode, not in modeling mode. So I need to a little bit to brighten up the texture. So you need to find this color texture and principal BSDF. Between these shaders you need to add Shift A, color ramp. Okay, let's put it right. As you see, there's a white arrow here. If you move the arrow down, the texture, the color of bricks is getting a little bit lighter, brighter. As you can see, you can do the same way with black arrow. If I move it like this, the bricks are darker, but if I move it like this between white and black arrow, can get like I don't know, smoke effect of bricks. So yeah, you can try to play with color ramp. It's pretty fast and easy way to change the color of an object.